coffee?
No, I'm good. I had too much this morning.
Oh, okay.
And if you said steak and eggs or something, I might say, all
don't.
right. Okay, I'm off to another job, and I got a couple lined up already today. One said their cable was frayed. They're both services. I'll be filming it when I get there. You see I'm wearing a jacket today. Weather's getting a little colder. You'll see me doing this in the rain, the hot, the cold. It's not seasonal. It never slows down. And I could be a lot busier too if I wanted to be. I just choose to do the job where I can educate you guys. Anyway. Hello? You didn't call a garage door company? Oh, you're like a house cleaner or something? All right, I'll call them. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm calling her right now. All right, thanks. Okay, bye. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Are you the realtor?
I am one of them.
I remember working on the store.
You do?
Yeah, maybe it was a different house, but I'm pretty sure I was here though too.
It's this side right there. So what happened is the wire thing came off the track and wrapped around the pole, and so then it would only go so far.
Yeah. Who put it back on?
This really nice electrician who happened to be at our open house. Tried to figure it out.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That one looks all right. And let me check this.
I'm gonna go grab it for you.
Okay. Anyway, so the double door reset cables right here,
Uh-huh.
that's like when they come off, it's $389, and then the cables are $79 each. So
Okay.
it's gonna be $4 something. for
Four.
double. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Well, they won't change because it's frayed. If you look right in there, you know, it's frayed a little bit there. If we look down right above my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Got the vice grip over there. Right here, I'm gonna hook this cable back on without touching anything. I don't know how good these come out before we actually upload them, but sometimes I hit the button and I think it's on, and sometimes it's off. Sometimes I hit it off and it was been on the whole time.
I don't blame you.
I'd rather do a spring change than a cable.
Oh God, those things are scary too.
No, but at least you can work on it. You don't have to get on your knees and all that stuff. This one was like not a good one. But I don't care. I mean, it's good enough. And there's a sticker like that on the wall over there.
Awesome. Thank
And
you.
this is yours.
Okay.
Do you need help with the plant?
Yeah, that would be wonderful.
Right in the back?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it.
The dirt might fall out of them.
I know.
You don't care? Okay.
You are a sweetheart.
And then just close it?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Really
All right.
appreciate it.
No problem. Yeah, let me know what happens. So it was $389 plus $79 for the cable. Came to $468 right there. I don't know where you can get that kind of results from 30-minute job. They concreted the track into the ground, so I had to cut the bottom of the track, which is no big deal. Right when I was finished, she was pulling up with the check, so what do I care? It wasn't hard either way. So now I'm gonna go do another one. I just tried to call her, she didn't answer, but a lot of times they don't answer, but they're there, so I'm just gonna go out there. Got a golf course right here. Hi. Good, how are you?
Good. You want a cup of coffee?
No, I'm good. I had too much this morning.
Oh, okay.
And if you said steak and eggs or something, I might say, all right. So what's going on with it?
So this is the situation. The light is on often. It just stays on.
Yeah. Well,
And-
this thing here, see how this is in here like that?
Yeah. Is that what it is?
No, that's not
Oh.
what it is, but
Oh,
that's
okay.
dangerous. Because if the door gets caught up on there, this side will hold up and then it'll get slack in it and the cable will come off and the whole door will go cockeyed.
Okay. What's this?
Okay, so you're saying that,
See
the-
that? See,
yeah.
it goes 3 times like that. It often just goes down and then comes back up.
yeah, have you had any power outages up here?
Yes, we have. Numerous.
Yeah, numerous. Then I can almost tell you for sure, you probably have an internal, like the motherboard. When see how it's plugged in right. No, actually, you got a surge protector, so that should protect it. Yeah, you do have a surge protector. When the power came back on, did you have to come out and trip this thing? Well, you see the white bar up there?
Yeah.
The opener's plugged into that, so that's a surge protector. But but what happens is it'll trip the breaker on that before it hits the here, so it won't blow out the parts. Doesn't mean it can't blow out,
Yeah.
but did you remember coming in and turning that back on?
I don't think you did that. No.
All right. I'm forcing it down by holding it.
And that's what I do too. And then it
Yeah, but it's
stops and
not
then
even
comes back.
traveling there.
Yeah.
Wait. See, I'm holding it. And it stops even when I'm holding it. It's not supposed to do that.
Maybe there and then it comes back up. Or sometimes it closes.
Yeah, if you to push it and it goes about a foot and it comes back up, then it's in the camera, these safety things.
Yeah.
But being that you have to hold it and it still stops, that would override those cameras. But it's doing it going up. It's okay going up, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I could look at it and stuff, but I could tell you probably you have some kind of internal thing rather than usually when you get here and you push the buttons, it'll go down. And yeah, you see, it would even say on here, it would say check safety sensor. It would say on here, it actually prints out something blocking the safety sensor, but it's not saying that. So let me make sure they're all hooked up. Yeah, maybe you just need a new camera. Did we put this opener in?
Yeah.
Has it been a long time?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing won't even go down. See? Yeah, see, normally you set where you want it to go, and then you push the learn button. When it travels, it learns the way to your door, and it won't even travel to do that. See, doing that, I should be able to let go, and it'll go down.
Right.
And then when it gets to the bottom, I push the up one, and then because all doors are different weights, so there's no adjustment for anyone to do on this. It's all done with electronics now. So, see, I just set it to the floor, so it would travel till it hit that spot, and then it would be ready to program going up. And I would just push the up button, and then the up button, you just push it once. It's not really doing that. Well, I can tell you what'll definitely fix it is a new opener.
A new opener.
Yeah, this just seems weird. It doesn't normally, it sounds funny. See there, now it goes a little more, so. Normally it wouldn't do that if it was I could maybe start with changing the cameras. Maybe that'll do something. Maybe there's something wrong with the camera, but they got power. You see the light on there? So I could just change them. Maybe the camera itself is bad.
Okay.
Want me to start off doing that?
Okay.
And then
how much does that cost about?
You're gonna be in the 300 thing. Yeah. So change the cameras. That's with the service and everything.
And then how much does a new garage door
Well, the one I
cost?
told you about, which most people are getting because of the camera. Well, those ones are $21.95 installed.
$21.95.
Yeah, but we could probably give you a discount because you've been here before.
Yeah.
But but then they have ones that are less money, but they're
And you install
like 15
it for
something.
$2,100?
Well, this is a clad wood door. Actually, at the time, they came with a lifetime warranty. But this company right here, got sued because they were putting it on houses on the sides, and they made them with the Sunday newspapers. Not the Sunday, but all the newspapers. Yeah, but you could actually, when you got them not primed, because normally we'd get them pre-primed, you could read some of the articles in them. So, but they gave you a good warranty, so everybody was buying it. Do you have the wood grain on the front? See this fake wood grain? I actually liked the way they looked at the time, but they're kind of outdated now. This part is called cladwood. This is all Doug fir. But this insert company and this company, they were sued by a big developer. They used it on the side of the house, it's like your house there, and they all warped or they didn't hold up. So I think they went out of business. Today I could start with the cameras if you want, and then if the cameras don't work, then I could put a new opener actually.
Okay. Let's see what we can do.
You'd rather just keep what you got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cheaper,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. But if you were thinking, some people call up just for that opener, and
That
then
doesn't work. Then
yeah,
we'll
I'd
go
rather
with
just
this.
fix it.
Do you have a school, garage door
Yeah.
training?
Yeah, we train people online.
Oh.
We just change these cameras out. See, I coiled the wire like this. It looks a little better. Change this one out too. And now it works. There. See, these are my old stickers. They're still calling me, but I put a new one on. It's bigger, looks better. All right, yeah, it was the cameras. They're even brighter. It seems like they're shining better. But I put a new sticker here. Those ones are falling off. I changed them both. But that light seems like it's brighter than before. And then that one's on over there. You see that green one?
Yeah.
There's supposed to be one amber, one green, because one sees the other. So there's a receiving eye and a sending eye. I just change out the sensor, whatever you want to call them, safety sensor. I have tons of those on my truck, or even in the back, all rusty looking. But anyway, I got $388 to change out the cameras. Here's the bill there, $388. I charge $249 for the cameras, which are free. And she'll probably end up getting an opener, because I told her that, you know, it might last, it might not last. She's unhappy with her door. I didn't want to push it. That's how I like doing sales. I like them to tell me what they want. I don't like to say, you need one, because then they feel like they're pressured into it. If she calls me in a month or two and said it's not working again, guess how easy that sale will be. She'll just say, put a new one in, and that'll be it. They feel more comfortable too. You know, I did 2 calls. They probably took me an hour's worth of work. I got 2 checks. So you add that up, I made $876. And literally I worked an hour. And here's the money. I'm already paid. I didn't work hard. You see my hands, not very dirty. I mean, it's simple. Anyone can do it. All right, so anyway, it's great money. It keeps coming in, and people keep calling and keep paying. I'm not getting lucky. I've been doing this for over 40 years. You know, all my smarts, everything I've learned in this business, I'm basically passing it on to anybody who wants to get in and just start doing it. A lot of people aren't very wise. They get into this and they see they only took them 10 minutes and they charge like 50 bucks. And they think they're making good money. It's not about the hour. It's by the job and what it's worth to the person. If you're a garage door technician and you go out to people's houses, they're expecting to pay you. In fact, if you don't charge them enough, they think there's something wrong with the job. They're not paying me for my time. I'm not a laborer. They're paying me for what I know. They're not paying me for what I do. I can answer that question to anybody who thinks it only took 10 or 15 minutes, I charge that much. They love that you can do it right away. And that's an upsell for you. They're always in a hurry. They don't want to talk about a garage door. They want you to come do it and leave, and that they'll pay for that. They're paying for me for what I know, not what I do. So if I could do it faster for them, they basically love that, most of these guys. Because in my mind, I think it's so easy. I think other people know how easy it is too. But when they look at a garage door and they look at the track and they look how heavy everything looks and dangerous it looks, they just know that I know what I'm doing and I'm gonna fix it. That's all they really care about. They're gonna do the same with you too. When you show up to fix a door, they're gonna be glad you're there and their door's gonna be working. They're not really concerned with the price. You're gonna get a price sheet that has all this on it when you guys sign up for the class. So you'll know what to charge when you're there. Here's one of the price sheets here. I mean, was this job really worth $468 in the real world? Yes, it is. But in actuality, me doing what I did, no, it's not. A lot of people work a lot harder. They work all week, a lot harder, and they don't even make that. I worked 30 minutes and I made it. Now I'm going to do another one. So every time I do one of these, it's like a week's work for an average person, sometimes more. So well, anyway, just know that this trade is amazing. You can pull right up to the door, just like that last job. I pulled sideways. So anyway, I'm telling you guys how to do all this stuff from experience. Like I said before, you guys, anyone thinking about getting into any trade, don't hesitate with garage doors, because garage doors, don't even think to yourself that you're not going to have any work. Just get in the business and you'll see. You'll be so happy you did. You'll be out making thousands every day doing little tiny, you know, repair jobs that most people wish they can do. Remember, www.garagedoortrainingschool. Learn how to do this and you will make a lot of money. Trust me. You guys, I know it might be hard to believe for some of you people in different parts of the country and different parts. We have people signing up in Australia and Canada and everywhere. So some parts of the country, though, people think that this is impossible or something. I know people all over the whole country doing doors, and they some of them charge more than I do. But I just had a guy call me, so he makes $12,000 a month. So he makes probably $140,000 a year working for a company, but he said he hates working for him because he's making them over $50,000 and he only gets 12. He gets 30%, he said. Why work for someone else when you can go out and do this stuff yourself? There's no point in working for anybody but yourself. Anyway, I hope to see you in the class, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. You're never gonna meet a guy like me that's voluntarily giving you my time, my information, all the ins and outs of a business. To do what I'm doing for you, you're gonna have to buy a franchise, and they're just gonna be interested in the money you give them, that's it. These people that tell you to work for them and they'll pay you a percentage and all that, You're basically going to do their whole job, and you're going to make nothing at the end, because they're going to deduct all the deductions out of your money you're getting, and you're going to have no money. You're going to be doing all the hard labor. So anyway, you decide. Feel good when you wake up in the morning. Why sit around and pout when you can be making money? And then when you're done, you're a productive citizen. You did something worthwhile for the day, and you can be doing this, making money. Money, 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 money.